This 3D print is of a turtle. Took 14 hours to print at 75% size. I used eSun's PLA Plus Brown to print this. And I printed this on a raft because it's got little toes, and the toes and the nails, they weren't sticking to my bed. So I just kind of gave in and said, I'm just going to print this on a raft and be done with it. So get off the extra pieces here. I never touch the bed with my hands. Just a little bit of stringing going on there. Here's the raft. I think this would have printed perfect, except for the little bit of toes. Raft came off very nicely. Printed this at 110 degrees or 210 degrees. Each of the legs pulls out. I can tell the head is supposed to turn. There we go. So the head turns, neck moves around. I think the feet are supposed to lock into place somehow. I'd have to go back and look at the website to see how that actually works. So that's a nifty little print. I think I'll do another one. I'll do it in green. So there we have the tortoise. Little tail that wags. Retract in. That's a fun little print. Head turns. So there you have the tortoise, printed at 75%. Took just a couple minutes, over 14 hours to print that on my Ender 2. Ender 3 version 2.